Hello, I'm here to do my reflection on Module 4. This one was probably the toughest one so far that I've done. Again, I'm just learning a lot of this new technology. So for question number 1, why it's important for a teacher to have a foundational knowledge. I feel that knowledge of technologies is extremely important, and a teacher can teach to many different learning styles by utilizing technology in their classroom. And the info on resolution and compression can come in very handy, so you know if you'll be losing quality when you change from one form to another, because you want to make sure what your students are getting or what you're wanting them to see, what you intended. And so you're not taking up your whole hard drive with just a few videos. For the second one, my experience with Prezi, this was a tough one. I probably spent more time than I should have on it because I'd never used it before, so I was just trying to figure it out. For me, it seems really busy. I prefer PowerPoint a little bit better, where you're doing one slide at a time. I know Prezi is one slide at a time, but when you can see that overall image the whole time, it just gets a little confusing for me. So I like PowerPoint a lot more, but I can see how Prezi could be more fun and more up to date for some of the younger kids and how they might enjoy utilizing it more. And it could even be a little more fun to watch. I just need to play with it a little more and wrap my head around it. But right now it was my first experience and it was just really busy. And then the Screencast-O-Matic, that took me a while to figure out, getting my microphone to work and all those little technical difficulties. I teach preschool, so I also had a really hard time trying to find something that I would want to show them. A lot of them don't know their letters, so I couldn't really have them type in a website or go to a certain site. So I chose to have them access the Paint program on the computer, which I think they could follow along pretty easily with, and I pointed out some of the different tools that they could use once they are in the Paint program. And they can use the mouse to learn how to write their name. It does seem like that's the way technology is going. It seems like a lot of us don't even have to write our signature with real pen and paper anymore. We write it with our fingertip on the iPad Square, or we write it with a mouse. There's several different ways that we sign. So I think it is a good idea to have the kids start using the Paint program and practicing their name and just getting more comfortable with the computer. So again, it was kind of a tough week for me. I'm learning as I go, but I can see how a lot of these things could come in handy in the classroom in the future, especially since that is how the world is going these days. So hopefully I continue to learn more, and I hope you all had a great week. Thank you.